Hey, what's up guys, it's me Jake, and it's like 15 degrees in the middle of February, so I decided to take this beast for a ride. But before that, I need to make a sort of a paddock that could mount the rear wheel through the rear axle and lift it up just a few centimeters so I can free spin the wheel and clean it from the inside. I don't know, I suggest we hop to Solidworks and see what we can come up with. So, I made this simple design with an adjustable arm holders position, which is a cool feature to have, especially if I'm gonna change my bike in the near future. From now on, I would like you to take a seat, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. That's it for today guys, I hope you liked the video as much as I did. Please stay safe while riding and I will talk to you in the next video. Peace.